What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Robe, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Today, we're going to be checking out some jackets, some coats. We are creeping into the colder months now that summer is fizzling out. We're about to be in fall. I wanted to put this video out a few days ago, but man, I've been fighting this nasty chest cold. I'm sure you could probably hear it, but I think I'm on the come up now. I think the worst days are behind me. And then if you notice, I'm in a little bit different spot than normal. That's because I did rearrange the sneaker room, kind of turned it into a full-blown battle station, game watching, just mayhem. But it looks cool, it's going well, and I think I'm just going to kind of try a few different spots to try to see where I like. I got this big window here, and I got the drape over it now, but we'll just kind of see what we got going. Got the dogs out, we're having a good day. But yeah, for the most part, got some packages coming in. I got this video to make. I got a video to make after this one. So make sure you're pressing subscribe. Make sure you're pressing like. If you want the links to all this stuff, make sure you're checking me out over on Discord, where I can message you. You can message me. You can show me what you want, and I can get you links for it. It's all pretty tight and neat and easy peasy lemon squeezy. But yeah, let's go ahead and pop into some of these bags. Did come in bags. And this is all going to be from King of Goose. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you've probably seen me do a video with them. But I've gotten lots of Moncler and lots of Canada Goose stuff from them. But let's get to busting, get to ripping, get to tearing. Sneaky Lakey, what you doing? Dogs are just as curious as I am. I think I got mainly kind of lighter jackets this time. I think there's some North Face, some other stuff, but yeah, let's check out, see what we got. Okay, yeah, both of these are gonna be North Face coats. So this one is a North Face Slope 3L jacket. This one's gonna be in a size medium. And let's get it out. Came in this plastic bag, so everything is kind of double wrapped, so you don't have to worry about it getting wet, getting damaged during shipping. They're gonna package it real nice. Oh yeah, this thing looks sick. It's kind of a light gray, and then we got the tan and blue on the sleeves, and then you get your hood here, and this does have two different straps, so you can cinch it down really nice. One thing I like about North Face too is that they put this little soft layer that kind of goes up by where the zipper comes to your face, so you don't have to worry about sitting there rubbing the zipper against your lip, because that can get uncomfortable. Don't want any of that. But here's, yeah, see, here's that little flap. Super soft right there. Super cool. This thing looks really good. Super lightweight jacket. This is going to be more of like your rainy day, rainy fall day going. Can wear this with just about any other color. Also has a cinch in the back for the hood as well, and then it does kind of have a built-in bill up here, so a little bit more material, that way the rain and stuff will reflect off of there. That's pretty cool. Nice. It does have your North Face branding. There's one on the back right towards the top, and then one over the left chest. It does come with a chest pocket. It comes with two chest pockets actually, or no, comes with the two regular hand pockets down at the waist, and then you get a chest pocket up top. But overall, very, very nice jacket, super lightweight. Let's see if there's anything fancy. It says white label collection, Zero Dust Protection Series. Very cool. Anti-dust, water resistant, and fresh. So very nice. Let's see if I can't put this right here. Maybe. I should have grabbed some hangers before I started, but it is what it is. So let's get into this next one. If I can ever get the microphone to sit properly. All right, this one looks like it's all black. This one is going to be a North Face again. And this is also a Slope 3 jacket. Pretty sick. This one looks like it's all black. And then, like I said, this stuff is going to be from King of Goose. And this says, thank you so much for your trust and loyalty to King of Goose. Your support is invaluable to us and motivates us to continue offering the best products and services. As a token of your appreciation, enjoy this 10% discount code on your next purchase. So I'll go ahead and flash that right there real quick. That way you can pause, get 10% off on your order. They're also on Instagram at the King of Goose, and it says here to keep you warm. And I can attest to that. I do have multiple jackets from them, and they do the job. One of my favorites is the vest too. Been wearing the vest because then you can kind of customize it. You can wear whatever hoodie you want to wear and then just put the vest over it. So that's pretty cool. And this one is going to be just an all black, same style of hood. Got the North Face there on the corner. Zipper on the chest pocket. This is also the white label, so yeah, same exact jacket that we just checked out, except this one's going to be in all black, and it is an XL, so if you could guess, this one's probably going to be mine, and that one's probably going to be for her. But very nice. And jackets are one of those things where, you know, I find like one I like and I'll wear it for forever. The dog's hitting the door, so I take it Dutch probably wants to go outside. Are you wanting to go outside? Can I finish the video first? Yeah? Okay. Let me go let her out real quick. Oh, I guess I'm not paying them enough to give them more screen time. They said, we need more money if we're going to be on TV, Dad. All right, let's get back into this. I got some more stuff. I got 2 more packages over here to open up. Everything is going to be from King of Goose, like I said. Let's check this one out. This one came with a cover, and this one is a Moncler cover. So if you are someone that travels, or you have to, you know, take a little car ride to your work meeting and you need to keep it clean, these are nice. And you can fit multiple pairs of jackets or shirts, whatever. You can fit multiple in there. It's not just for one. All right. This does appear to be Moncler. Get that same thank you card from King of Goose. Like I said, use King Loyal 10 for 10% off your order. All right. This thing has some weight to it. Oh, this is sick. Kind of like a Russian mob style. Got the high collar with no hood on here. And this thing is kind of like the trash bag material, but there's like a lining in it to where it does have, like, it has some weight to it. I can feel it when I'm holding it, like it's insulated. It does have Moncler on the zipper right there. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Man, this material feels really cool. It's like MC Hammer pant. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. So it's like lined with this gray hoodie-like material. Cool. Does have a pocket on the inside left. I love those little inner pockets, especially in the wintertime, because sometimes like the ridge of your jean pocket can be kind of rough. So when it gets real cold out, you know, digging your hand in and out of your pocket, especially if the pants fit a little bit tighter, you know, you can hurt your hand. So it's nice to have a pocket up top. It's really why I like denim jackets too. Let's see if I can throw this on real quick. Oh yeah. Perfect. Kind of just like a sporty, you know, got to run out real quick, a little tight around the back lat area, but of course, you know, I've got a big back over here. Boom. Yeah, this thing's perfect. And the branding is so subtle, like it's very, like it feels really high quality and it feels really good on, but no one's really going to be able to tell that it's Moncler, so that's another good thing. But it does have the little Moncler patch right there. So to the trained eye, you'd probably be able to tell, but for the most part, you won't. Looks like it does show a little bit of that gray if you don't wear it zipped up, so that's nice. And I'm not going to zip it up totally because it is kind of warm in here. I think I've probably been running a fever anyways, but I really wanted to make this video mainly because I wanted to check out all this stuff with you guys, but I don't like going too long without putting out a video. I have this new thing, the Opus clip, so you've probably seen all my shorts that are getting dropped, but that pretty much is an AI thing, and you can just upload your full-length video onto Opus, and then it'll cut it into shorts. And this isn't a sponsor. I paid for their thing. I actually saw it on Nick Shirley. He's sponsored by them. So I was like, man, that sounds like a great idea. That's a part of my content that I'm really kind of missing out on. And now it's going good. Yeah. They'll usually get like a 200 to 1,000 views. Just kind of helps to boost the channel just a little bit. Let's get into this last package. This video is going to be from King of Goose, like I said. Beautiful company. Their price point is going to be a little bit higher than DHgate, but that's because the quality of their product and their shipping time and all that is just 10 times better. All right. Looks like we got 2 more coats to check out here. The guys are super nice too. Like, they'll get back with you. You can message them on Instagram or on WhatsApp. They will get you hooked up. And as you see, everything comes with like these protectors. So this is a Canada Goose protector. Nice. And I do have a few of these now, but it's nice once you do have one. It's nice to keep your stuff looking good. Some people keep their cars really clean, some people don't. So if you're gonna have to travel, get in a cab, get in a taxi or something, it's nice to have a covering. This is really pretty. Got us a almost Tiffany blue colored Canada Goose vest. This thing is super, super cute. Look at that. Man. Comes with the white logo. So that's something pretty new. I haven't seen that yet. Super sick. Has a little tag that says real fur, and this is the Junction Parka. White liner on the inside as well, lining the inside of the zipper. And if you look really close, that does say Canada Goose. If we can kind of shimmy it, maybe. We'll see if we can see that when I'm editing this. Comes with a pocket on the inside. The inside liner is going to be gray, but really big fan of this. Just kind of a more color options than just tan, white, and black like they've had. I think they did a red and a navy, but this is the first time I've seen them do kind of a specialty color, and I'm a really, really big fan of this. This one's gonna be for her, of course, but if you need to get your girlfriend a cool gift for, you know, Christmas or whatever, she's been wanting a vest, grab her one from King of Goose. You're not gonna be upset. Great product, shipping fast. I think I got this stuff in about 9 days after I placed my order. And if you use that coupon code from earlier in the video, you can save yourself some money. All right, last one here today. And this is gonna be another Junction Parka, just like we checked out, except this one's gonna be in a forest green, kind of more military green. Has that white logo like we saw on the Tiffany blue colored one. And I'm just gonna put my hands in here for a second. Man, it's like a nice sleeping bag. Oh, it feels so good. It's kind of cool, but it's so soft and silky on the inside. Oh, it feels good in there. Nice big pockets. Does come with a key ring also. So if you, typically these are going to kind of drop below your waist. I know a lot of people kind of like to have their hoodie maybe ride right at the top of their pants, so that way they have their belt showing or the belt loop showing. I'm someone that uses a carabiner too, so I like to have my belt loop, but this is going to hang just a little bit lower than that. So they do put this keychain so you can put your keys right there on the front, and that thing's cinched in there pretty good, so it's not going anywhere. Got the green metal tab with the white logo, and then on the inside it's going to be gray just like the other one, and then the catch is that white, and it does say Canada Goose along this in a very faint writing. This one's an XL. I'm about 6 foot tall, 215 pounds. I usually order an XL, and XL fits perfect. That's going to be size 4 or XL. They should have both sizes. You can always message them, tell them your size, tell them your girlfriend's size, and they'll recommend what size is best. My girlfriend is around 5'7", and I got her the medium, and that should fit perfect, so kind of gauge it from there. But yeah, super sick video. Shout out to King of Goose for sending over all these jackets. Like I said, I've been doing work with them for a very long time, and I put my name to the side of their company and attest that they have great product, good shipping times, and you're going to be satisfied with your order. Make sure you're checking me out on Discord. Become a channel member if you have the means to do so. It helps me out, helps me have a little bit more funds to find more product, to help you guys find stuff to save money on. If there's anything in particular you want, post a picture over on Discord. I can probably get you a link today. And yeah, I'm Jeff Robe. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll see you next time when I got some more stuff for you.